Good morning, students. Today we will discuss image formed by the plane mirror. Suppose this is the plane mirror. This is the point source, small source of the light. Suppose this is the O. And from here, two rays, suppose A and B, suppose this from this point source, two rays arise over here, A and B, which incident over the mirror. Got it? Now, we, as you know, there is an imaginary line, and this imaginary line known as normal. After reflection, these rays reflect in this manner. Suppose right now, after these are incident rays, these are reflected rays. Angle of incidence always equal to angle of reflection. As we know well, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. After reflection, these rays do not meet over here, but हम इनको थोड़ा सा पीछे बढ़ा देंगे, थोड़ा सा हमने इनको पीछे बढ़ा देंगे. These rays actually do not meet with one another. These rays actually do not meet with one another here, but it appear to meet. Because they appear to meet, so the image is the virtual. So image will be virtual image. Suppose at this point we get the image I. If we observe distance of the object from the mirror, it will be equal to the distance of the image from the mirror. You will draw this one with your protractor, scale. So you will find that this distance always equal to this one. Got it? So number one, what are the characteristics of the image? Number one, virtual image. Image will be virtual. Number two, distance of object from the mirror is always equal to distance of image from the object. जितना सामने उतना पीछे वो नजर आएगा. ठीक है? Next one. In this case, the image will be laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means right side appear to left one. That's why you have seen ambulance written in the inverted letters. Image will be erect. सीधा खड़ा है तो खड़ा ही दिखेगा. Image will be erect, not inverted. Image will be erect, but laterally inverted. Laterally means right side appear to left side. This is known as lateral inversion. Now look, types of reflection. Reflection is of two types. What is the reflection? When the light strikes over a surface, it bounces back. Due to this reflection, we are able to see various kind of the objects. We are able to see various kind of the objects, whatever TV, table, walls, chair, all these things we are able to see due to the reflection. Reflection may be of two types. Reflection through the plane surface smooth surface. The reflection due to a smooth surface is known as regular reflection. Plain surface or smooth surface. A smooth surface, then in this condition, excellent example, plane reflection through the plane mirror. Got it? Next one, irregular reflection. Irregular reflection. Reflection through the irregular surface or irregular surface or rough surface. Irregular reflection also known as diffused reflection. Irregular reflection also known as diffused reflection. When surface like this one, so in this case, in diffuse reflection also, the reflected ray, incident ray, reflected ray always equal. It means in diffuse reflection also the reflection also follows laws of reflection. Incident angle of incidence always equal to angle of reflection. Diffuse reflection occur through the surface of the table, chair, whatever we are looking in our daily lives. By using our plane mirrors, we can make an instrument that is known as periscope. What is happening in the periscope? Look over here. In case of the periscope, like this, these are in case of the submarines, people are army, crew members are sitting over here. We like this, we put a mirror over here so that to see over here, to see this, and one another mirror over here. Actually what is happening in this instrument, one mirror over here and another mirror over here. Suppose a person is standing over here, its image will formed here in this mirror, and this mirror, from this mirror, image of this mirror will act as an object for this mirror, and then we can see by sitting inside what is happening outside. बाहर क्या हो रहा है हम लोग यहाँ अंदर बैठे बैठे ही इस बात को पता कर लेंगे. Now try to understand the multiple reflection. When two or more mirrors are placed at a particular angle, when two or more mirrors are placed at a particular angle, in such case we obtain a number of images. So look over here. If the two mirrors are placed at 90 degree right angle to one another, एक दूसरे के 90 डिग्री पर हमने यहाँ पर इनको रख दिया है, और जब एक दूसरे के 90 डिग्री पर एंगल पर रख दिया तो यहाँ पर एक ऑब्जेक्ट है. Look this object. This first image will form in this mirror like this. Second image will form in this mirror. एक इमेज इसकी इस वाले मिरर में बन गई, एक इमेज इस वाले मिरर में बन गई. ये जो पर्सन खड़े हुए हैं, अब ये दोनों की इमेजेज. अब क्या हुआ बच्चों, ये जो इमेज है इस वाले मिरर में, ये वाली इमेज इस वाले मिरर के लिए किसका काम करेगी? ऑब्जेक्ट का। किसका काम करेगी? ऑब्जेक्ट का। यहां पर एक इमेज बन जाएगा पीछे। अब इस वाला ये वाला इमेज है, दिस इमेज विल एक्ट एज अ ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर दिस मिरर। ये वाली इमेज इस वाले के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट काम करेगी। तो अगेन यहां पर एक इमेज और बन गया। तो इन दिस वे, लेकिन अब यहां पर खास बात देखिए, इस वाले की इमेज यहां पर बनी, इस वाले की इमेज भी यहां पर बनी। जो ये इमेज है, दिस इमेज इज ओवरलैप ऑफ बोथ द इमेजेस। इन दोनों का ये ओवरलैप हो गया है, एक ही पोजीशन पर बन रही है। तो टोटल कितनी इमेज बनी बच्चों हमारी? 3। तो यहां पर मेरा एक कॉन्सेप्ट आता है, इफ वी पुट वेरियस मिरर्स at right angle to one another, we can obtain a number of images. आप लोग बार्बर्स के यहाँ जाते हैं और बार्बर्स के हम लोग गए और वहां पर हमारे पास में कितनी इमेजेस बनती है? मल्टीपल इनफाइनाइट इमेजेस। एक मिरर सामने होता है, एक मिरर पीछे होता है। बोथ द मिरर्स आर पैरेलल टू वन अनदर। तो इन दिस केस इमेज बनती जाती है। एक का इमेज दूसरे के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट काम करता है, दूसरे का फिर जो ऑब्जेक्ट किया उसका इमेज बन जाएगा, फिर वो इमेज दूसरे के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट काम करता है। इन दिस वे अ नंबर ऑफ इमेजेस आर फॉर्म्ड ओवर हियर। दिस वन इज नोन एज मल्टीपल। सो लुक ओवर हियर, हाउ मेनी इमेजेस विल फॉर्म्ड इन द मल्टीपल रिफ्लेक्शन। सो number of images equal to 360 upon angle between two mirrors, angle between two mirrors minus 1. What is the formula? Number of images formed by a mirror, by two mirrors, by the multiple reflection equal to 360 upon angle between two mirrors minus 1. अगर बच्चों if two mirrors are placed at 90 degree, how many images will form? 4 minus 1 कितना हो गया? 4 minus 1 equal to 3 images will form over here. कितनी इमेज बनी? 3. ऐसा ही अगर यहां पर 60 डिग्री होता तो 360 अपॉन 60 माइनस 1 कितना होगी? 5. अगर 45 डिग्री होता तो 8 minus 1 7 इमेजेज विल बी फॉर्म।